Hi, let's change size of icons on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And for that, I'm just gonna press any free space on the homepage and here select Settings. After that, we can see this section App Screen Grid. We need to select it. And now we can see 4 options: 4x5, 4x6, 5x5 and 5x6. 4x5 is a default one, and you can see that in one section in one line fits 4 apps. But if you switch to 5x6, you will see that in one line now fits 5 applications and the icons become smaller. Let's compare them again. And here is how it looks. Let's check 5x5 now. And now you can see that it is nearly similar with the last option, but the icons still a little bit bigger. So if you want to make them the smallest one, you just need to select this 5x6 and confirm by tapping the done button, and here is your new home screen page. Let's check it once more. Here is how it looks. Also, you can press and hold any free space on the screen once more, go in the settings, and now select home screen grid. And now you can switch to 5x6 as well, and the icons on the home page will also become smaller. So it will just be similar as right here in the list of apps. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.